everyone. So today we're gonna get back at the Shaler Kmart again for another construction update. It's been a while since I did this because nothing has happened in the past, what do you say, 6 to 8 weeks. So, I mean, they're still tearing out the back for some what reason. I don't know why. Doors are covered, signs still up. So, excited to see what goes in there. So, let's get into the video. They did more. They did. So that was my look at the Shaler Kmart once again. So I don't know what's going to go there anymore right now because who knows, only time will tell. So, yes. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more content. And until next time, guys, take care and stay